Well, today it is absolutely freezing. You might can see my breath, and I am hiding in the barn with some heaters going and just messing around, trying to make something out of nothing. So all the time, all my little projects have all kinds of scrap material laying around, and I've got all kinds of farm implements and all that old stuff laying around because this was my great-grandfather's place, and he didn't throw anything away. So I'm just going through trying to figure out something to do, pass the time, and I might have come up with something I kind of got into. I don't know why or when, but I did, and I think it's kind of neat. You may like it, you may not, but hope you like the video, subscribe, and let's get going. Well, today I am freezing my butt off, and I'm hiding here where I got a couple little heaters going. It's about 24 outside, and for whatever reason, I don't know what got me into this. I think I saw a bunch of it on Pinterest or something, but I got into making little metal yard art, and this is something kind of neat to do. And I've got a bunch of old farm crap laying around, and I'm trying to make different things out of it. So I kind of look around on Pinterest for ideas, and I was thinking, why not make a moose? So I was just kind of going through all my junk and figuring out what old yard implements I have, because I think like stuff out of yard implements or, you know, tractor implements, other stuff, shovels, whatever. I think it's kind of neat to make stuff out of that, because otherwise this is just going to get thrown away and go in the scrapyard. So I'm going to just kind of see what I can do with this thing, and maybe I can make something out of it. All right, so just kind of trying to get an idea. I looked at different things and just kind of get ideas, and so I'm thinking face of the moose, and then I'll figure out something for some eyeballs, maybe a nose, and we'll see from there. So let's go ahead. I got everything cleaned up so I can weld it, and it helps. Got a metal sheet down, and to clean up all the kind of edges where it's going to lay so it'll ground better. And I just got this sheet of metal grounded. So I think I'm going to measure this one off so it'll be balanced and go from there. All right, so got that tacked together, and I think that'll be pretty good. I'm trying to just see, I think I'll put a mount on the back to hang it up where it's sticking out just like that. That'll be pretty good. So I think that's all the welding I'm gonna try to film. I don't know if it'll ruin my camera or not. I gotta do some research on that. But I just got the old Harbor Freight welder and tacking everything together. Nothing fancy. And everything's free. That's the best part, except the weld wire. I had to find some of that today, and that's not cheap anymore. So I'm gonna have to start ordering that off Amazon, I guess. All right, so I've been rummaging around and just finding scrap bits, and I think nose and eyeballs. I think that look pretty good. And then we'll go from there. It's just, I've literally been going by my saw and on the floor and just trying to find bits and pieces I could use and just not throw stuff away, I guess. So it's kind of hard to figure, like nose up there. I think nose up there. I don't know. There. No, that don't look right. I think nose right there. All right, so I got that tacked on there. It would probably look better welded all the way out, but you know, that would cost like $1 with the price of wire now. So we're going for as cheap as possible. But not my best welding jobs either, but you know, it's just metal yard art, who cares? And I'll probably hang this out and let it patina and get kind of rusted, because I think it looks better that way. I'm not gonna paint it. And the reason I say why wire so much, Harbor Freight was out and I had to go by Lowe's and get some. It was 1 pound spool for $26 with tax. So We're not welding it all out. So I got the little washers welded on there. I just kind of flattened them out and then ground off the, I guess it's nickel, whatever the coating is on the washers when you get them from the hardware store. So I'll weld those a little bit better on there, but you guys pretty neat looking. Well, I think it looks pretty good. So I was trying to figure out, it just needs something else. Yep, it needs a tongue sticking out. That's more like it. So just make it a little goofy looking. And I don't know, can't think of anything else to add to it. It needs something. I'll think on it. But I'm gonna cut me a little piece of angle and weld on the back, I think, as a hanger. But I mean, I've been at this for like 15 minutes probably. And it's kind of stupid looking, but I think it's kind of neat. I was trying to figure out a way to hang these. And that's the best thing I could come up with. A little piece of angle iron with a little slot cut in, and it'll slide, you know, like over a screw. So I'll flip this thing over and weld it on like so. I'll try to get it at a little bit of an angle. The mask keeps getting over my face. Get it at a little bit of an angle so it kicks it out a little bit. That ought to be pretty neat. Well, I'm gonna call that done. I got my little hanger on the back and kind of just went and cleaned it up. And it looks, I don't think they look as good cleaned up and painted. I think after a while of setting out in the rain and rusting a little bit, it'll look a lot better. But it's something to do on the weekends when it's freezing cold and too cold to fish or do anything or saw logs. Tried to saw logs yesterday and my whole water system on the sawmill is frozen. So didn't do that very long. And just trying to pass the time, get out of the house and make something goofy. I figured I'd make this little video and just kind of show you what I do when there's too cold to do anything else. And I do not like the cold, so I try to hide by a heater. And the best way to stay warm is hide by a heater and a welder, and that'll keep you warm normally. Well, I hope you liked the video. Just something short and sweet and kind of what I do to pass the time when I don't want to do anything else because it's too cold. So I hope you liked the video. Subscribe. We'll see you later.